everyone, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about the two channel relay interfacing with the Arduino. Basically a relay is an electromechanical switch which is used to isolate high voltage devices from low voltage appliances or DC circuit. Okay, so let us start which are the topics that I am going to discuss in this video lecture. So first one is the hardware and software requirement. In this video lecture I have operated two AC bulbs with the help of Arduino. Two bulbs are operated alternatively. So for that, which are the hardware component required, and for writing the code, which are the software requirement. Okay, then how relay works. Okay, what is the working principle, then relay connection with the Arduino, then Arduino code and Proteus simulation, and the final one actual hardware implementation video which I already added. Okay, so first let us start with the hardware and software requirement. So you require one Arduino board. I have used the Arduino Uno. You can use any Arduino board. Two channel relay module I have used. Different kind of relay modules are available. As I am going to control two AC bulbs, I have only used the two channel relay module. Then AC bulbs are required. Then jumper wire for connection of relay with the Arduino boards. Then USB cable for uploading the program in the Arduino board. Then software requirement. If you want to simulate this circuit in the software, then Proteus can be used, and for writing the Arduino code, Arduino IDE is required. So these are the list of the hardware component required. Now starting with the what is relay basically. So different kinds of relay are available. I am going to discuss about the electromechanical relay. So relay is an electromechanical device or switch which is used to make or break the connection, electrical connection, like a normal switch. Okay, it consists of moving part, okay, moving mechanism. So it consists of flexible moving mechanical part which can be controlled by some electrical signal, and that signal will be given by the Arduino, okay, through an electromagnet. Basically a relay is a mechanical switch, but you can control it with the electronic signal instead of manual turning it on or off like a normal switch. So this is a kind of switch which makes the connection, okay, electrical connection, but here that connection will be done with the help of some control signal. Now let us see the relay construction. So this is the internal different parts of the relay. Okay, now basically it consists of one core, and core is wounded with the copper wire. Okay, and it is placed. Okay, now you can see this is the movable armature. Okay, which consists of spring support or stand. This is a spring support or stand. Okay, and one end of the armature is connected with the spring support or stand, and the other end you can see is connected with the metal contact. Here it is a metal contact. Okay. All these arrangements are placed over the core, so it is placed nearer the core. Why? When we will give the supply to the coil, it will attract this armature and connection will be done. Okay, the movable armature is generally considered as a common terminal. So here you can consider it as a common terminal, okay, which is connected to the external circuit or the load. Okay, now it consists of two pins, okay, namely normally open and normally closed. So here initially the armature is connected with the normally closed pin, you can see, okay, and normally open pin is left free. Okay, you can see here it is left free. Okay, now we will give some control signal to this coil. It will get energized and it will attract the armature. So armature will be attracted. Now that armature is connected to the normally open pin. So this part will be now connected with the normally open pin. Up to how much time it will be connected with the normally open pin? Until there exists a flow of current through the coil. Okay, so these are the animation you can see. When the coil will de-energize, automatically it will go to its initial position which is normally closed. Okay, so here you can see initially we do not give supply to the coil. Now if supply is given, it produces the magnetic field. Okay, so once it produces the magnetic field, you can see here that switch gets attracted, moving part is attracted, and bulb is on. Okay, now these are the different pins of the coil, okay, relay. So these are the two pins of the coil 1 and coil 2, where we will give the control signal. So coil gets energized. Okay, initially it is in normally closed condition. Now coils get energized, so moving part will be attracted and it will be connected to the normally open, you can see. Okay, and this is a common terminal. Okay, so this is the internal construction of the relay and how it works. Okay, now two channel relay module I am going to use. So first let us see the pin diagram. Okay, two channel relay module. So this is the actual image how it looks like. Okay, so these are the first 4 pins which is going to be connected with the Arduino, and out of 4 pins, 2 pins are of ground and VCC which are connected with the ground and VCC pin of the Arduino respectively, and input 1 and input 2, okay, which are these are the two pins of the coil 1 and relay 2, and those pins are connected with the coils, okay, of relay 1 and relay 2. So here we will give the control signal, and these two pins are connected with the two pins of the Arduino. Okay, now relay consists of three pins over here, you can see. So one pin is a normally closed pin, okay, other pin is a common pin, and other pin is a relay normally open pin. So we will connect the load which is going to be operated, which is going to be controlled between these two pins, common pin and normally open pin. Okay, suppose we are going to control the bulb. Okay, so a bulb, we will give the phase and neutral. So one wire is cut, and the two ends of the cut wire will be connected over here between common and normally open pin, and these are the two pins of relay 2. Okay, and this is a graphical image you can see. Okay, here four pins are there, VCC and ground, and input 1 and input 2, which will control, which will energize the relay 1 and relay 2 coil, and these are the three pins and out of these three pins we will use common and normally open pin, okay, for connection of the load. Now let us see the application of the relay, basically where relay is used. So there are a number of applications of the relay. So basically, as I mentioned, that it is used in electronic circuit and home appliances for isolating the low voltage devices, appliances or DC circuit from the high voltage circuit. Okay, suppose we want to control the bulbs with the help of Arduino, or fan with the help of Arduino. So fan and bulb will work on an AC supply, high voltage. So that cannot be directly interface with the Arduino, that can be not directly connected. So we require some device in between that, and that is nothing but the relay. Okay, they are backbone of industrial process automation system. Okay, in industry widely it is used. Okay, it is used for signaling and control link in railway network. Okay, in motor control circuit, for motor switching it is used for protection as well as it is used for the control. Now let us see the connection of two channel relay module with the Arduino. Okay, so here first these are the four pin you can see, and out of four pin, two pins are ground and VCC, which are connected with the respective pin of the Arduino, and input 1 and input 2 pins are connected with the 12 number and 13 number pin of the Arduino. Okay, so when this two pin will give the control high voltage signal, okay, when these two pin will become high, so based on that this relay coil of this relay will energize and connection will be made. Okay, now here two pins are which common and normally open pin. So this pin is a middle pin is a common pin, and this is a normally open pin. Okay, now here you can see one wire of the bulb. Okay, so phase and neutral wire are there. So one of the wire is cut, and these two cut and are connected over here. And this is a pin where we will give the 230 AC volt, and this is a bulb. Okay, and similar connection you can see for the lamp too. Now how this works, suppose 13 number pin becomes high. So if 13 number pin becomes high, so relay 2 will be energized. If relay 2 will be energized, so it will make the connection between these two. Okay, these two cut wire, it will make the connection and bulb will be turned on. Now let us see the Proteus simulation. So here in Proteus, you can see this is a Proteus simulation circuit. You require one relay, lamp, and V sign. This is a AC source. Okay, relay relay are available in terms of 12 volt. So you have to change the voltage level of that, and bulb is of 12 volt, and AC voltage, AC source is of 12 volt. Okay, so when this 13 number pin, you can see the connection of relay. It is normally closed condition. Okay, and one end of the coil is grounded and other end is connected with the 13 number pin. So when the 13 number pin become high, the relay will this coil will energize. So this contact will be attracted over here. Okay, so circuit will be completed and lamp will turn on. And the same thing will happen for lamp 1 also. Here I will also use the virtual terminal box to display that whether lamp 1 is on or lamp 2 is on. So first let us see the Arduino code for this, and then after we will see the Proteus simulation. So this is the Arduino code for controlling the two AC bulb with the help of Arduino and relay 2 channel relay module. So let us start with the first thing, that is a variable initialization. So here two variables are there, lamp underscore 1 and lamp underscore 2 is equal to 12. So that means what? This 12 number pin is connected with the input 1 pin. Okay, that is a coil of relay 1, and 13 number pin is connected with the coil of relay 2. Now void setup. So in void setup, these two pins will be working as output pin. So pin mode in bracket, the variable name, that is a 12 number pin comma output. So it is working as output pin of the Arduino. Pin mode lamp2 comma output. So 13 number pin is also working as output pin. Serial dot begin in bracket 9600. That is a baud rate. Okay, so I'm going to display the I'm going to use the serial monitor. So in serial monitor, where it will be displayed that which lamp is on, lamp 1 is on or lamp 2 is on. Okay, then main program, that is a while loop. So in while loop, first thing is a digital write in bracket lamp 1 comma high. So lamp 12 number pin will become high. So coil of relay 1 will be energized. So lamp 1 will be turned on. Okay, so serial dot println in bracket quotation mark lamp 1 is on. So that will be displayed in the serial monitor. Okay, then delay of 5000. So the 5-second delay is given. So that means what? For 5 seconds, lamp 1 will be turned on. And then after that digital write lamp 1 comma low, then after it becomes low. Okay, then after digital write lamp underscore 2 comma high. So what it will do? The lamp 2 will become on. Okay, so coil of relay 2 will be energized. So lamp 2 will be turned on, and in serial monitor it will be displayed that lamp 2 is on with the help of this command, that is a serial.println in bracket lamp 2 is on. Then again delay of 5000 is given. What it will do? For 5 seconds lamp 2 will be turned on, and then after digital write in bracket lamp 2 comma low, so lamp 2 will become turned off. Okay, and this loop will continuously run. Okay, so this is the Arduino code for interfacing relay module with the Arduino and controlling the two bulbs with the help of Arduino and relay module. Okay, this code is successfully compiled, and this is a hex file you can see here, which I already copied. Okay, now that hex file we will use for Proteus simulation. Okay, so now let us move towards the Proteus simulation. So this is the Proteus simulation you can see here, which I already discussed. Now you have to use three components here. First one is a V sign, lamp and relay. Everything you can find over here. If you write V sign over here, okay, you will get that component. If you write relay over here, you get animated relay option. That is a relay which I have used. And the third one is a bulb. If you write bulb, you will get bulb over here. Now what you have to do, you have to double click on this and you have to change the property of this. Okay, amplitude I have set 12 volt and frequency 5. Okay, then double click on lamp. Okay, if it is 12 volt, so keep it 12 volt as it is, because as lamp is of 12 volt, your AC source should be minimum of 12 volt. Then double click on relay. Okay, so you have to change the relay voltage. If it is 12 volt, you have to change it to 5 volt. Why? Because output of this Arduino will be 5 volt. So it will not, if it is a 12 volt, it will not energize the coil. So that's why you have to change this. Okay, now you can see here the connection. Initially the switch is at the normally closed connection, and here bulb and AC source is connected. Now with 13 number pin will become high, so this relay will get energized and this moving contact will be attracted toward the coil and it will be connected to this point. Okay, so circuit will be completed and lamp will be turned on. Okay, the same thing will happen for lamp 1. Okay, here with TX and RXD I have connected the virtual terminal to show you what we are getting, what we want to display on the virtual monitor or on the LCD. Okay, so I have already copied, double click on this, I have already pasted the path which we have copied. Click on OK and start the simulation. So here you can see it is initially it is a lamp 1 is turned on for 5 seconds because coil 1 is energized. Okay, then after 5 seconds coil 2 will energize. Okay, and it will make the circuit connection and lamp 2 is turned on. Okay, the same thing can be displayed over here. So here it is a lamp 1 is on, so lamp 1 is on is displayed. Okay, after 5 seconds lamp 2 is turned on, so lamp 2 is on will be displayed on the virtual monitor, and that can be displayed on the LCD also. So this is how you can make the connection, okay, in Proteus, and you can simulate the circuit and you can verify your code. Okay, now let us see the video of actual hardware implementation.
Now let us see which are the components required if we want to control the two bulbs with the help of relay and Arduino. So this is the Arduino board, this is the USB cable, then jumper wire for connection of connection between Arduino board and 2-channel relay module. These are 2-channel relay module. You can see 2 relays are there. and here we will connect the Arduino pins, VCC ground, input 1, input 2. So these are two channel relay. It will be able to control the two appliances. We will be able to control the two appliances because there are two relays. Now how the connections are made? So here you can see for one relay 3 pins are available. So we have to use the first and second pin. Okay, these 2 pins I have used. What I have done here, this is a lamp. Okay, so 2 wires are there, phase and neutral wire. So neutral wire is cut. Okay, and that cut wires, okay, are connected over here. Okay, and this is the pin where we will connect, where we will apply the 230 AC volt. Okay, and these are the 2 bulbs which are going to control. Okay, so this is the different components required. Okay, if we want to control the 2 lamps using Arduino and relay module. Now let us see how we can control 2 bulb with the help of Arduino and 2 channel relay. Here a 2 channel relay is used, and with the 12 and 13 number pin of Arduino, 2 relays are connected. Okay, here you can see the 2 bulbs are there. Okay, program is already loaded. Okay, so initially one lamp will on for 5 seconds, then for another 5 seconds lamp 2 will be on. Okay, for another 5 seconds another lamp is on. Now how connection is made? So here you can see the neutral wire is cut. Okay, and that is connected with the 2 pins of the relay. Okay, so when relay will energize, it will make the connection. Okay, and respective lamp will turn on. Okay, and at the same time I have opened the terminal box. So here you can see first lamp 2 is on, then after lamp 1 is on, lamp 2 is on, so on you are getting over here. Okay, so this is how you can control the relay, or you can control the any appliances with the help of Arduino and relay. Okay, here 2 lamps are controlled.
So that's it for this video lecture. In this video lecture I have discussed what is relay, 2 channel relay module I have interfaced with the Arduino, how the connection can be done, and how the AC appliances can be controlled with the help of Arduino and relay. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.